Hi, my name's Claire Merritt and I'm an employment law partner here at Paris Smith. I've been practicing employment law for well over a decade and I've just returned from my first maternity leave. So what I thought I would do is share my experience and tips for best practice. So I think it's really important, and it always has been, to consider keeping in touch days, KIT days. Some people don't want to use them at all, some managers aren't keen on them, but actually I think they are a really good way of planning, communicating, keeping your confidence up at work. Now, you need to think carefully about what you do on your KIT days, training, project work, those sorts of things, but stay in touch. And one personal tip is think really carefully about your childcare for all those KIT days, because you will enjoy them a lot more if you know you've got reliable, trustworthy childcare in place.